Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. We are doing some work on our Revo 2.5. We did a brushless conversion on this. Actually, we bought it as a brushless conversion. And actually today we're going to pillage some parts from it. Just to review here, you can find videos on our Revo 2.5 brushless in the playlists below, but problem with this truck was that it was just a wheeling machine. You know, the short wheelbase here and the amount of torque that we were pushing through it. We thought about resurrecting this with just a smaller motor, you know, maybe something like this, the Hobby Wing Easy Run 3656. You know, just we were using a big boy. Let me show you here. We were using this Quick Run, Hobby Wing Quick Run 4074, 2000 kV. Just way too much power for this truck, right? It was just uncontrollable. A lot of fun, but uncontrollable, just wheeling all day. That was actually the reason why we decided to go and get a longer wheelbase Revo 3.3 to do a conversion on, but we just haven't had time to work on this. See the roll cage, we've got a couple of these that we bought for this truck. It's kind of a lower priority project right now, just because of the amount of effort that it would take to get them running. We've got to order some parts up too. So a little bit of an update there. What we're going to do is since we're probably not going to run this truck anytime soon, we are going to borrow some parts from it, mainly the electronics, for our Revo, for our ProLine Pro MT 4x4 project. So we're going to grab the Fly Sky receiver out of here, and also the servo. Now this servo is... Did I lose the body pin there? I don't know. This servo is a replacement, or a factory replacement for the Creighton, basically all the Arma 8th series. I'm going to get a power driver here, and we are doing this because we found out that the servo we planned on using for that Pro MT was too tall. So maybe we'll use that servo that servo's been hopping around. We had it in our ECX Ruckus 2-wheel drive, our Ultimate Ruckus there. And now we're going to try it in our Pro MT. Surprisingly, it's called the ADS 15M servo from Arma. Let's see here. That is okay. We'll just pop out a couple more screws here, and we'll get going. So let's go ahead and take this one off first. Some thread lock on there. It broke loose. And we won't work that out quite yet. We'll take out the two side screws here that mount the servo. So hopefully the servo is going to fit. And since we were planning on taking these electronics out eventually anyways, what better time to do that than now? Alright, so I've got these screws out on the sides. Just going to wiggle the servo horn loose here. It's getting a little bit tighter than I expected. Let's get these servo mounts off so we don't break them. I'm going to grab a screwdriver for some leverage just to pop out that servo horn. because I don't want to break it by twisting it off. All right. There's even some debris there. Oh. I'm just going to pop that servo back in its original spot here so I can get some leverage. So note to self, in the future, pop that servo horn out first. That's kind of stuck on there. A lot of gunk on this one. Gonna take a paintbrush and clean that off outside. But now we've liberated our servo here. And we'll go ahead and put the screws back in. This is another project that's going to be on ice for a little bit. So we're going to pillage some parts from it. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.